Hey guys, today I want to come on and do a review on this set of 12 frosted glasses I just got and I'm super excited. As you can see, it's a really nice size. These are 16 ounces, so it's perfect to make a drink at home, on the go. They're going to be nice and frosted. Right on the top, you're going to have a bamboo lid, and then there's going to be a seal right around it, so none of your drink is going to get spilled. There's a spot right on the top for the glass straw that also comes with it, which is nice. So the whole set is going to be glass. You get a little tool to be able to clean those straws with, super easy, which is really nice. And this is awesome for hot drinks, also cold drinks. You can stick this in the dishwasher so you don't have to worry about washing them by hand or anything. I love the way they look frosted, but it's perfect if you have a sublimation machine. So this is going to be what it looks like after. I stuck some on here. It was easy to do, super quick with my machine, and you can decorate them however you want. Create your own design, print out your own sheets, and these are perfect for gifts. I'm excited about these, you guys. I hope you learned something today and go get your own pack of 12. Thanks for watching.